Hot food within arm's reach, ideal for cooking healthy dishes, heating frozen boxed meals and warming comfort food at home, in the office, or at parties, potlucks, or gatherings. Your food, perfectly cooked, evenly cooks or reheats fresh or frozen meals, even leftovers, in about an hour without burning or drying out your food. Heat your way, compatible with most flat-bottom, sealable containers including glass, plastic, Tupperware, metal, aluminum foil, and cardboard. Accommodates containers up to 8.75 W x 6.75 L x 2.5 H or 1.5 quarts of food. Set IT and forget IT, requires no monitoring, just place your meal inside, plug it in, and go about your day, whether it's work or play, and enjoy your meal when you are ready for it. Drop the mic, no more overcooked meals, frozen centers, waiting in line or dealing with splattered food. HotLogic is revolutionizing the way you make your meals without the old microwave. A little like a microwave, a little like a crock pot, but a whole lot better, this portable oven and food warmer is ideal for lunch at the office, parties and potlucks, and home kitchen use. It evenly cooks or reheats fresh or frozen meats and vegetables, even leftovers, without burning or drying your food. Using a heating element, it brings your food to the ideal temperature, and holds it there until you're ready, whether that's in 2 hours or 12. There's no monitoring needed, just place your meal inside, plug it in, and go about your day. Top reviews from the United States. Buy this. I originally bought this because I believe that it only draws 45 watts of power. I have. Goal Zero Yeti 500 solar battery with a max of 300 watts. This thing is awesome. It heats the contents perfectly. I prefer a Pyrex rectangular container with silicone lid. It heats fast, but when it reaches 165 F-ish it scales back and maintains that temp. So you could leave it be for many hours and it will hold constant temp. Not for cooking. I just had to relocate for a job and the oven doesn't work. I've been loading my Tupperware with what I want to eat. Plug it in and check back 45 to 1.5 hours. It's a set and forget. Recommend putting tinfoil between the heat pad and store-bought meals with barcode tape or anything. Just buy it. You could buy a power inverter to go into your car's cigarette 12V port and have hot lunch in your car if you travel.